Need to lock down your FastMCP server with JWT Authentication, but don't want to reinvent the wheel? You'll see how to configure a production-ready JWTVerifier in just 5 lines of code using your existing identity provider's public keys to validate tokens automatically. This pattern keeps your server secure while offloading the heavy lifting of user authentication to trusted systems. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP, server, auth, providers, JWT import JWTVerifier. Auth equals JWTVerifier. JWKS URI equals https://your auth system, com/well-known/JWKS, JSON. Issuer equals https://your auth system, com. Audience equals your MCP server. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals protected server. Auth equals auth. This demonstrates the delegated authentication pattern, where identity verification is separated from business logic by externalizing token validation. The pattern treats authentication as a configurable service rather than embedding it in application code, enabling clean separation between security concerns and core functionality. What makes this distinctive is how it transforms authentication from a development task into a deployment configuration decision. The approach works by composing authentication as a modular layer that wraps your server. FastMCP's provider system handles the protocol-level details, JWT validation, OAuth flows, or dynamic client registration, while exposing a consistent interface to your application code. This design follows the principle of progressive disclosure. Simple JWT validation requires minimal configuration, while complex OAuth scenarios build on the same foundation without changing your server's core implementation. This pattern matters because it solves the authentication integration problem for microservices and AI tooling. By externalizing identity management, you avoid embedding provider-specific logic in your codebase, making it easier to swap authentication systems as requirements evolve. The trade-off is explicit. You gain deployment flexibility and reduced coupling at the cost of requiring compatible token issuers or OAuth providers. It's particularly valuable when integrating with existing enterprise identity systems or when your authentication needs may change over time. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for building AI-callable tool servers. It handles the heavy lifting of exposing Python functions to AI models with proper schema generation and request handling. From FastMCP, server, auth, providers, JWT import JWTVerifier. This imports JWTVerifier, FastMCP's built-in JWT authentication provider. It handles token validation against a JWKS endpoint, ensuring only properly signed requests from your auth system can access protected tools. Auth equals JWTVerifier. This instantiates a JWT verification handler. It validates incoming requests against your authentication system, ensuring only properly signed tokens can access protected endpoints. This is the standard pattern for securing FastMCP servers with JWT-based auth. JWKS URI equals https://your auth system, com/well-known/JWKS, JSON. This specifies the JWKS endpoint, a standard OAuth 2 URL where your authentication system publishes its public keys. FastMCP fetches these keys to verify incoming JWTs, ensuring tokens weren't forged or tampered with. The well-known /JWKS JSON path is the ETF standardized location for this metadata. Issuer equals https://yourauthsystem.com. The issuer parameter specifies the trusted identity provider that issued the JWT tokens. This prevents token spoofing by ensuring only tokens from your authentication system are accepted, enforcing a strict trust boundary. Without this, any JWT from any issuer could be used, creating a critical security vulnerability. Audience equals your MCP server. The audience parameter enforces JWT token validation against a specific intended recipient. It prevents token replay attacks by ensuring only tokens explicitly issued for your MCP server are accepted, matching the OAuth2 audience claim. This is a critical security measure for multi-service architectures. This closing parenthesis finalizes the FastMCP server initialization with JWT authentication configured. Without it, the server would remain in an incomplete state, unable to handle requests or enforce security policies. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals protected server. Auth equals auth. This instantiates the FastMCP server with JWT authentication enabled. The auth equals auth parameter injects our previously configured JWTVerifier, enforcing that all incoming requests present valid JWT tokens from the specified issuer. Without this, the server would accept unauthenticated calls, creating a security vulnerability. JWT verification pattern. The JWT verifier handles the critical security boundary between your FastMCP server and external identity providers, validating tokens against known issuers and audiences while abstracting away cryptographic complexity. Always verify your JWKS endpoint is publicly accessible and uses HTTPS, as failed key fetches will silently reject all tokens. This pattern enables seamless integration with existing OAuth infrastructure without coupling your server to specific providers.
The token that carries no data becomes the most trusted messenger